Good night, Grandpa Shark. Remember, don't snore. Good night to you too, Rosaria. And I'll promise that I won't snore.
That's great to hear. Okay, since Grandpa Shark, my old pal Shark, is asleep, I'm going to watch the movie. My friends, did you hear that? Grandpa Shark is snoring and it sounds like a freight train passing at night. I know, Wolfie from Old Wild West. I heard it. It sounds like a freight train. I'll go in to squeeze his nose.
What's going on?
Grandpa Shark, you're snoring.
I promise that